starting its display. Not the sort of departure you would have going out of 27 right at Heathrow. This is the latest member of the 350 XWB wide-body family.
I was just going to ask if that was yours.
What's interesting is that more than half of the major A350 XWB customers have also bought both the Dash 1000 and Dash 900 variants. Drifting past now, what a beautiful sight. Those wings high-level commonality between the Dash 900 and Dash 1000 aircraft. In fact, 95% commonality assistance. Same part numbers, same type rating. That cuts down the cost of airlines, cuts down the time that crews change on their training between one type to another. Certainly considerably quieter inside the cabin and outside the cabin than previous generation aircraft. Original concept was way back, the A330 derivative, but it has changed considerably. And our first appearance of the A350 XWB here at Farnborough in 2006. Significantly, an extra wide body has been designed. Main flight of the Dash 900 took place in June 2013. Now, the controls then, and the controls now, was the Airbus Chief Test Pilot, Pete Chandler. He's no stranger to Farnborough Air Show. In fact, he demonstrated the Tornado way back in the 80s here. All variants of the A350 are powered by Rolls-Royce Trent engines. On the 1000 series, this one I already mentioned is the most powerful engine designed for an Airbus. On the 900 series, the Trent is a little bit reduced and rated at 84,200 pounds. Why am I getting covered in ice from the air conditioning unit? What's gone wrong? In terms of crew, in other words, can you justice, please, as a hit? In terms of crew, the A350 is operated by two pilots and have a cabin crew of 8. Many of the systems of the A350 are derived from the A380 program. The commonality of the fly-by-wire architecture comes to really represent most of the Airbus aircraft. Now the speed reducing. Drifting back. We're very slow passes, not a lot of headwind at all. That is a majestic flyby. $118 knots ground speed, or only 800 meters. 118 knots ground speed, 10 now, 309 knots. 108 is the slowest ground speed today. Then the bar coming back on the Trent 1000 engines. Now that ground speed is slower than you could fly a Cessna 150. And if you think the aircraft are very different, gear being extended. Integrated modular avionics system, TARNA's top connect suite, head-up display, air computers, inertial reference, all of that sort of stuff. Rockwell Commons provide the data network, land systems, digital radar altimeter, etc. It can crack along at 0.85 Mach, and what does that mean? Is 85% that of the speed of sound. It fits neatly into the air traffic systems around the world's network. Most of the big aeroplanes try to cruise at around 85. Demonstrating the approach to then what happens is the go around, thrust pushes to go around the hour. How can you go to 1,000 and on 600, sorry, 900, but apart from the 10 foot numbers on the side, count the number of wheels. 6 on each side for the Dash 1000 and 4 on each side for the Dash 900. And now you can impress people when you see them coming in to Heathrow. You say, I know exactly what that is. Count the rivets, don't worry about the wheels.